Hi, my name is Kris Dench. I am from Bulgaria and I am a part of Elite Property Tribe since June 2017. I have been dealing with properties for some years now, but my relationship with Arsh and the group has taken me on an entirely different level. So I had the general knowledge, but I have no idea how to use it to start my own business because I didn't have the money or the connections. And then I found about EPT. So I signed up expecting that Arsh would be some sitting on the top of the mountain type of guru that I would have access just 1 hour a month or something. But he actually was just one phone call away, always. He helped me structure the deals by asking the right questions. We even have joint calls together when he talking with agents for my deals. He is a completely different kind of guru, if you may say that. To have someone to call when you didn't know a given detail is just priceless. Now I'm working full-time with a partner from EPT, finding deals on a daily basis. We have cut out systems that help us to move fast so we can handle multiple deals at the same time. At the moment, we have around 70 active potential deals in our list. All that is possible because of Arsh and Elite Property Tribe. Thank you for that. And just one last thing. For this business, you only need an internet connection and a phone. So I am doing that without actually being in the UK. So don't hesitate to try it. Good luck.